Hello beautiful people. Today I am talking about movie Love Granted. To save her small law firm, earnest lawyer Suzanne takes a high-paying case from Nick, a charming new client who wants to sue a dating website that guarantees love. But as the case heats up, so do Suzanne and Nick's feelings for each other. Rachel Lee Cook is one of the more recognizable faces in rom-com history, thanks to her starring role in 19 teen classic. Cook holds a special place in the hearts of romance fans the world over. But the new Netflix original film Love Granted, out September 3rd, 2020, could be Cook's greatest rom-com because not only is the actor working in the film, she also the brains behind the storyline. Wholesome story of finding romance in online dating world. Earnest hardworking lawyer Suzanne Rachel Lee Cook has taken one to many pro bono cases. To save her small law firm, Suzanne Crutch takes a high-paying, high-profile case from Nick Damon Wayans, a charming new client who wants to sue a dating website that guarantees users will find love. But Suzanne and Nick soon find themselves in the middle of a media storm, and as the case heats up, so do their feelings for each other, which could imperil implying everything. Suzanne Rachel Lee Cook is a hard-working lawyer who believes in fighting for justice and criminality in Seattle. Well, do not worry, as she doesn't have the revenger traits. It feels good story, so she takes cases where the wrong is called out and justice is served. Nick Evans, Damon Wayans, is man fed up not finding love on an online dating app called Love Guaranteed. For all going on almost 1000 dates. The dating app ensures people they will find the one within 1000 dates, but that doesn't happen. Nick feels cheated by the dating app and wants to sue its owner, Tamara Taylor, for giving wrong hope to people. He hires Suzanne as his lawyer and they both drag Tamara's company to court in return. Nick is paid the expenses he lost by going on those 1000 dates. Yes, you guys listen it right. Nick and his lawyer Suzanne sue a dating app because they didn't deliver what they promised. Love. So now we share what's the outcome of this unexpected court case. Cook came up with the idea for the storyline after hearing about a man who sued foods for their beer not actually being made with Rocky Mountain water. She then approached Netflix and writers Elizabeth Hackett and Hilary Galloni, the team behind Falling in Love, with her original idea, and the writers got to work on putting together a script filled with heart and humor. We loved the concept from the get-go and knew it could make a great movie. It was an idea we had truly never heard before, the writers told. The writers told us that I was so expected and excited when they said that they would like to take on the project. Cook says of the writing do. Their very first draft was laugh out of loud, funny and so moving. I remember feeling like this character was absolutely a gift for me at this stage in my life. As for casting, the film's producers were looking to bring in a somewhat non-traditional leading man in a rom-com space to pair with Cook, and that's where Wayans comes in. Slack and Huddleston describes the film as a throwback rom-com that takes inspiration from all these classics when Harry met Sally. So if you are longing for a movie that mixes old school romantic comedy charm with modern dating sensibilities, add Love Guaranteed to your queue. Thank you beautiful people for watching our videos. For more updates, stay tuned with us.